In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Countifs function as well as how to sort the data. For instance, you are required to sort this data, which is names of students and their marks. You are required to sort it alphabetically. So how can you do that? Just simply select the data, then left click, go to sort, under sort, choose custom sort. You'll see this table here. This table will appear. So under column, it's sort by. Just click small arrow, choose names. Under order, choose A to Z, which is A to Z, obviously. Then you can add a level. Under column, you can choose marks from smallest to largest and click OK. Now your data is sorted. Now let's talk about Countifs function. So Countifs function says it counts the number of cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. For instance, let's say maybe we want to find the number of students that got above 45 and less than 88. So just simply select your data, comma, quotation mark, greater than 45, quotation mark, comma. Again, select your data, comma, quotation mark, less than 80, close bracket, enter. So in this case, the number of students that got greater than 45 and less than 80 is 4. Now let's talk about how to insert a column between two existing columns. For instance, you are required to insert a column between names and marks, and you are required to name it surnames. Just go here, left click, press insert. And surnames. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, commenting and liking my videos so that others can discover my channel.